Hello and welcome to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my latest addition to my Ford F-150 collection. So if you guys watched my previous videos, I have a separate Ford pickup truck collection. So this will be the latest addition. So I found these ones from the reject shop in Australia this year. Now, I don't know the name of the series. There were like a few camouflage vehicles including Hummer, and Jeep Cherokee and those sort of vehicles, but I picked only this one because this was like $5 for these castings. And yeah, so I had what you call narrow it down, you know, my hobby, so I can't collect everything, so just decided to pick this one. All right, let's open this one. Before opening the card, let's speak about this card art. This is a wonderful card art, you know. So since this is a camouflage thing, the card art is very much they have designed the card art to match the vehicle camouflage color. So this is a green camouflage, and so it is perfectly matching to the foresty background. So there you go. So, and even in the back there's no photos of the other cars, so so I picked this one only. So let's open. So I open the card like this because I can put the car back again in the card, so like this. So just open it and put the card back. All right, let's keep this behind. Oh, this is a very cool casting. I'll zoom it in a bit. There you go. So this thing has the green camouflage color, and it's matte. It's not the normal gloss finish. This has the matte finish. So wow, it's just very different to the touch is very different to the other cars. Wow, well done, Matchbox. So the base is plastic. Yep, it's plastic. Yes, it's plastic, and the body is metal, and these parts are plastic as well. So cons: there's no detailed headlights or detailed tail lights, so that means I had to do this. I had to customize this one and add these front and tail lights. So I might have to print the decals for these ones because I don't have any. And if you can closely check, there's the Ford logo embossed to the casting, so that's pretty all right. And there's no Ford or Raptor logos on the back, so it's pretty much a plain casting without any decals or any other details, but it's a very nice casting. These wheels are pretty much matching to the colors, so I think Matchbox has done a good job with this casting, especially for customizers. I think many of you guys are really keen to do customs on this casting. Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll take some photos of this casting and upload it to my YouTube channel. Please go and follow me on Instagram, Diecast Beast. And if you like my videos, please hit like, share and subscribe my videos. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys with another video soon. Thank you. Bye.